In this video, you are going to learn how to create unlimited audio and video tracks in Adobe Premiere Pro. This is actually very simple. I have already shown this in my Adobe Premiere Pro beginner's guide lessons. But in case you're just getting started and don't know which option is useful for what, I highly recommend you check out my Adobe Premiere Pro beginner's guide classes. You can learn everything from scratch there, and the best part is all those videos are free. You don't need to pay me anything. Now, coming back to today's topic, after creating your project file and sequence, just follow the steps I'm about to show you. To add multiple video tracks, right click anywhere on the video track layer. Here, choose the option Add Tracks. A new pop-up window will appear. You need to specify how many audio and video tracks you want. Not only that, you can also edit the placement of these newly created tracks. For example, if you want 5 video layers added right after video track 2, you can simply set the placement as after video 2. The same goes for audio tracks as well. You can edit these settings however you prefer, and once you are done, just click OK. That's it guys. This is how you can create unlimited audio and video tracks in Adobe Premiere Pro. Make sure you hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more Premiere Pro and YouTube related videos. And also check out the description box for more useful resources for your video editing and YouTube related journey.